Hey, here is a short tutorial on how you can access, edit, download, and print your favorite tags. So once you click the download link in Etsy, you will receive a PDF like this. Simply click here, and that's going to bring you to the template link, and you'll be brought to a landing page like this, and it just shows you the instruction page in your design. Click Use Template. Once you click Use Template, it's going to bring you into the design. So for this particular tag, we have 4 different designs. You can do a yellow tag, a blue tag, and then you can do a square design, or you can do a snipped corner design. So for this tutorial, I'm going to do the snipped corner, but one thing I do want to mention, if you choose to do a square design and you don't plan on attaching your tag with a string in the middle, you could move this hole punch guide over to the corner if you prefer to have your hole punch there versus in the center of your design. So just something to mention. So in this particular design, we're going to delete all the extra pages that we don't need once we choose a design to use. So I'm going to delete the first instruction page. And in Canva, there's a little trash can in the upper right-hand corner of each page. I'm going to keep the blue page, and I'm going to delete this square page, and I'm going to delete the yellow tags. Then we're going to go ahead and make any edits you want to make. You can change the name. So instead of Leo, I will make it Chris. So that's where you put your child's name. If you want to change the thank you message, you can. So instead of thanks, I'm going to say thank you. Personalize this however you'd like. Once you have the tag the way you like, we are going to duplicate this page 8 times. In the upper right hand corner, there's 2 squares with a plus. Hit that 8 times. This is going to create a file that is 9 pages long. You look right here in this corner, 9 out of 9. Once you have your tags created, we're going to go in the upper right hand corner and we are going to share, and then we're going to download. When you download, choose PDF print and flatten your PDF. Flattening it will just ensure that none of the elements move or do anything wonky once you get into Adobe. So now we are going to make sure all our pages are selected. All pages, everything's checked. And hit download. Once you download your file, it will look like this. You will have a PDF with 9 pages. Now, if we were to go to File and Print, naturally, Adobe is going to print each on its own page, but the tags are only 2 by 3.5 inches. So what you're going to want to do, so that you're not printing a big white page with one tag in the middle, click Multiple under Paper and Size Handling and do 9 per page. And then when you look in the preview, you actually have 3 tags going across and 3 tags going down. And this is what you would actually print. Cut your tags out, cut the corners off in this particular design, hole punch, and then attach them to your favors. Now, if you do not want to use Adobe Acrobat Reader, it is free. I highly recommend it because you can do some really great quality prints. The other option you can do is open it in Microsoft Edge or Google. So this one, I'm using Google Chrome and open in Google. Same thing, you have your 9 pages. Go to Print. Once it opens, make sure you select your printer. Looks like my computer is freezing up on me. Perfect timing. There we go. Okay, so I have an HP. I selected my printer. I'm going to do more settings, and I'm going to do pages per sheet. We're going to make it 9. And then this actually looks good to go. The space is in between the tags, which I like. Make sure if you don't see that, right here there's a scale option on the right. Click that. If it says fit to paper, you might get something like this. The tags are a little bigger. I just change it to fit to printable area. And that gives you that white space. It makes the tags a little smaller, but they're still approximately 2 by 3.5 inches. And the same thing, you're going to print and just cut down your tags and you're good to go.